Hello students, let's continue with the IO interfacing. Let's see another problem. Like it can be asked to design a system with two sets of switches acting as two input ports using 74LS244 tri-state buffers. So to connect an input device to the processor, tri-state buffer is required. It is given 74LS244 tri-state buffers are to be used to connect the two sets of switches. Switch is a input. Okay, so let us take these tri-state buffers. This tri-state buffers has got two active low enable inputs. One enable, two output enable. Okay, so two active low enable inputs are there for this tri-state buffer, and it will have y0 to y1 outputs of this tri-state buffer. So these are connected to system data bus, that means 8086 data bus. Okay, D0 to D7. Input device is a switch. So let us suppose you have switches from S0 to S7. These are connected at the input. And here two sets are asked, two sets of switches. So you take another tri-state buffer. Here this also has got y0 to y7. This is to be again connected to the same system bus, and here another set of switches are there from S0 to S7. Okay, so now how to decode and select these tri-state buffers. So you can use, let us suppose I want port addresses. Let's suppose the port address of the first set is first tri-state buffer. Let the port address be F0H and or F1H, and port address of this switch is F2H. Okay, so F1 means 111,001. So this is the address A0 to A7 for port 1. So this is F1H, and the other one is F2. This is F2H. Okay, so we can use a simple NAND decoders here to select these two, or we can go for this 74LS138 decoder. Okay, so if you are using a NAND decoder, outputs required is here an active low. So you can take NAND decoder. So here first address is F1. So you can connect 4 bits as it is, 6, 5, 4. A3 is 0, so with an inverter. A2 is 0, so inverter. A1 is 0 with an inverter, and A0 is 1, so you can select, you can connect it directly. Okay, so this is decoded with IO read bar, and this is used as input to select this first tri-state buffer so that these switches can be accessed with this address. In the same way, like for this second set of switches, the decoding logic will be A0 is 0, A1, A2, A3 are zeros, and A4 to A7 they are all 1. These are all decoded. Here also, no, not NOR, only OR gate. Okay, here IO read bar. These two are decoded, and the output of this is OR gate, not NOR gate, because you require here active low, and you are getting active low output here. So this is used to decode and select this second switch. Okay, so to read the data from the first set of switch, what must be the instructions? In instructions must be used here. So in, what is the address of that first switch? It is F1H. So from F1H, read the data to AL register. Then we can store this data in some other register. Then to read the second set of switches, the address of second set is F2H. Then move this to some other register, BH. And the further processing, you read the data from the switches, we'll proceed with the rest of the program. So this is how the switches which are connected to the processor can be accessed by the processor by writing these instructions. Okay.